Ooh, maybe I should back up a little bit. Hold on. Okay, there you go. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am not in any way but a makeup enthusiast. Welcome back. Welcome to my channel. This is my very first video ever on my channel, so thank you for clicking on the video, giving me a chance, being like, yo, what is this? Like, what's up with old girl? Thank you, I appreciate it. And hopefully you become a subscriber and subscribe, like the video if you enjoy it. Oh no, my lash! I put this on wrong. I'm gonna have to malfunction, lash malfunction. Do not come for me in the comments. I can put on my lashes, I promise. I'm gonna fix this off. Wow, no, this is very, oh wow. That's annoying. That is very annoying. I'm gonna fix that. I'm gonna fix that off camera.
You sit on a throne of lies.
Wow. I bet as a viewer, especially somebody with OCD, you're just gonna be like, she's gonna hate me. Cause I'm gonna just have to keep it for this intro real quick, girl. Okay. Anyways, so this is the palette that I was able to create this look right here with. So fucking pretty. You will see this palette probably very frequently on my channel actually, because I just think this is such a gorgeous palette on its own. I love this fucking palette. It's so gorgeous, so beautiful. Its swatch is amazing. Where I even heard about this brand, this cosmetic company, I heard it from a fellow YouTuber on here, and Angelica. I don't know why I want to call her Angelique. Angelica, sweetest last name. I can't pronounce it. I'm sorry. It starts with an N. I don't want to butcher it. But I'll put her stuff, all her information down in the description below because I love her. I think she just stumbled in my fucking my recommendations one day, and I was just interested because it was just like this, like, imagine this pale blonde white girl but with this colorful, like, peacock gorgeous, like, eyes, and posts, or she reviews indie brands, and that's how I even found out about this brand, because she got me hip to it because she had it in like a, I don't know, she did a video on it pretty much, and I was just in love with the palette and the color scheme, and I was like, I have to have it. I need this. I think I've already given my review in the intro. Like, I feel like there's not even a need for a fucking, like, oh, my final thoughts, whatever the fuck. I'm already saying it right here, right now. But please keep watching the video. Keep watching the video if you want to see how I create this look. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a voiceover for this part because I talked a little bit too much, and it's just gonna be faster that way. So for the first shade that I go into is Queen Conch, that tan transition shade that is a little bit more wearable than Kraken. So I'm just patting that into my crease and then doing sweeping motions. After that, I go into that fiery orange shade, Magic Carp, and I'm just kind of putting in the inner and outer corners of my lid, and then I'm blending it out in my crease. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do a halo eye or I wanted to do a cut crease, but in the end, I settled for a cut crease when I went into the shade Godzilla, and I took a pencil brush for that one, and I'm just pretty much using it to shape my eyeball, if that makes sense, and I'm just blending it out, giving it that little fiery warmth cut crease. And then I noticed that the shade Magic Carp kind of disappeared into my crease. So I'm going to go back into that shade and I'm just going to blend it out a little bit. So anyways, after that, I cut my crease with my NARS concealer. You can use whatever concealer that you have. It doesn't matter which one, I promise. And then I go straight into that Disco Calypso shade. It's the 3D Chrome shade. I was trying to go into it at first to see if I could just, wear it alone on its own. But it wasn't looking too good. As you can tell, I was really struggling really hard to get it to show up, and it was kind of it just wasn't looking right. It wasn't giving me what I wanted. It just, on its own, it's a little bit, what do I want to say? So anyway, so after that failure with Disco, I decided to cut my crease once again and then go into the shade Nautical to give Disco pretty much just a little base to, shine and stuff. Yeah, so I'm just packing Nautical onto my lid, and then afterwards I'm going into, I dip my brush back into Disco, just to like in the little inner third of my lid, just, you know, so it can give it a little bit more oomph. Or I'm sorry, for my bottom lash line, I decided to be a little bit, you know, a little adventurous, and I wanted to show you a little bit more of the palette and see how the shadows work. So I go into that really hot pinky satin shade called Vaporwave, and I'm just putting that under my lash line, and I'm just blending that out. And then afterwards, I go into the shade Magic Carp to smoke it out a little bit more, just to give it a little bit more fiery oomph. And then for my inner corner shade, at first I use Sea Punk. I use Sea Punk for my inner corner shade, and it is a pretty shade. But then what I did off camera is I covered up Sea Punk with Electric Eel, just because I felt like there's just a little bit too much color going on. Anyways, what was I talking about? Oh yeah, I was talking about this. So yes, this is Kaleidoscope. Yeah, the Deep Sea Luster palette, gorgeous. Just get it. If you want this palette that comes with like not only like mattes, shimmers, duochromes, whatever, different, it's just different formulas, different finishes, and it's just. And this retailed for $45, and then plus shipping, which was I think it was 10. Yeah, it was 10 because it was 55 total. I should mention that this took me pretty much a month, maybe a little less than a month, give or take, whatever. This took about a month to get to me because this company resides in China somewhere, like I think it says Shanghai, China. And yeah, when I ordered it like in the beginning of February, and they couldn't get it to me in time because Chinese New Year was around that same time when I ordered it. So the customs like just wasn't running for like about 2 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks. So yeah, your girl was waiting and just waiting and waiting for this palette. I'm just like, just look at the packaging. Like, this is what I'm saying. Like, I wish companies would take notes not only on, we want a good product, but I mean, we like packaging. Yes, good packaging. Yes, I love a cute ass packaging. But what we really want is how we want the palette to reflect what it looks like on the outside. That's all we want. That's all we want. Too Faced, take notes. Take notes, girl, because Too Faced is one. I'm specifically talking to you, Jared. The packaging, like, I'm not gonna say Too Faced packaging, like, they got that down on lock. It's cute. It makes me want the product, or it makes me like interested in it. But because I know it's Too Faced, I already expect disappointment with this unique color story, and then not only that, but like just different formula. Like, they formulated different fucking shadows for and it's just like, thank you. Just something like, this is all we ask from beauty brands, you feel me? All we want is just something different, something unique, something that you haven't done before. Maybe not something that nobody's done before, but just something that, like, you know, that isn't common, that y'all not been doing. Like, maybe, you know, maybe cut back on, you know, the 50 Shades of Ash transition shades. You know, not everybody can put a fucking, what's this called? Not everybody can put a crack in they crease. Not everybody can do that and like it shows up. No, some of us, we need a little bit more, little something. So yeah, no, it's a great palette. I recommend if you buy it, if you got the money to spend $55 on this, I recommend it. It's good money. Well money spent. I've spent $55 on a palette and I barely use it. Dose of Cola's vacation. And it's a good palette, but I'm just like, it ain't Deep Sea Luster though, baby. It ain't Deep Sea Luster. You see this? It's $55. Let me show you what $55 got me at Dose of Cola. $55. $55. Oh, sorry. $55. $55. You tell me. So you get 15 shadows that come in different forms formulas, by the way, not different formulas, different colors, different finishes for $55. You tell me which one you want. You tell me which one you want to spend your money on. You tell me, girl. And I love makeup too, but like, I'm very picky with my makeup to a certain point. So if you guys enjoyed the video and you enjoyed me, please leave a like for the video and make sure to subscribe. Comment down below what you thought of this look. What else do you want to see from me? What would you like to see from me? Do you want me to do first and more? Excuse me. Do you want me to do more first impressions? Do you want me to do 2 looks in one palette? Do you want me to do anti-hauls or haul videos? I don't really shop I shop online. I'll say that. I like shopping online. I make it rain. But then I be a little broke. I'll be like, I ain't got no gas money. This is bothering me so much. Why? Look at that. Look at this lash. This is how you're supposed to do it, right? Look at this lash. Girl, this is why you ate and then you ate. Anyways.